Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to align the text or align the paragraph on your Canva docs document on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to align the text in your Canva docs on your mobile phone. So first, I'm just going to type some sentence here. So I'm just going to paste some sentence here just as copy. So let's just going to first select everything. You just need to align. Then just swipe on the side. You can find an option called align. So here, if you just tap it, so first this is a right align, and this is a center line. This is a left align, and this is justified. So you can see the right align, and if you are just going to by center justified, you can see the straighten on the both side. This is how you just align any text, any paragraph on your Canva docs on your mobile phone. So just select it, swipe it, and just tap it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.